Okay, so one, I'm washing clothes right now, so if you hear anything, that's my washing machine. There it is. Okay, so I'm making another attempt at making whipped cream at a good consistency. I'm gonna try using the valve with the 2 dials on it instead of the 1 because I need to give this a test to make sure it's gonna work. I've already mixed some heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract in this bowl here, so let me get my whipping siphon out of the fridge. Grab a nozzle too. So, get this lid off. Let's add the cream to it. So, not only am I going to test out the valve with the 2 dials on it, I'm also only going to shake it for probably 10 seconds this time. In the last video I did, I shook it for like 20 seconds and that was too much. So we're going to try 10 seconds and see if that works better. I'm also going to time to see like how long it takes for nitrous oxide to get into this whipping siphon using the 2 valve. The 2 dial valve instead of the 1 dial valve, because the 1 dial valve took like 18 seconds before I stopped hearing gas go into the siphon. Enough. Let's put this on. You on. Okay, can't get that any tighter. Let's plug this in. Okay. Grab the timer. Okay. I'm going to start the timer as soon as I start hearing gas going here. Okay. Wow, that's like noticeably louder than the 1 valve one. Well, the squeaky part was like. Okay, so this one took a little more time. It was about 25 seconds, I'd say. I suppose I should mention that I'm using less heavy cream in this container today than I did yesterday. That's mainly because, like, whenever I do these attempts, when I'm done, I dump the cream down the sink because there's no way in heck I can consume all that whipping cream myself. So I'm trying to like not have to end up throwing away cream whipped cream unnecessarily. So okay, I think that's good. Alright, so I'm going to set the timer for like 13 seconds, just so that way when I hit start, that'll give me time to like get this ready to shake upside down vigorously for 10 seconds. So hit start. Okay, there's the 10-second count. I'm not counting how many times I'm shaking this, by the way. I'm just doing it purely based on time. Okay. Let's see what 10 seconds yields us. 10 seconds of shaking. Please be good. Look at that. That looks like stinking whipped cream. Okay, so it seems that shaking it for 10 seconds, at least using the 2-dial valve, works. I suppose the last experiment I'll need to run, which I'm probably not going to do until like maybe Sunday, I guess, is reattempt this exact same experiment but using the 1-dial valve. But I guess one thing I did learn aside from that is how long you shake it or how long you let gas go in here is kind of dictated by how much cream or how much ingredients you put in here, because like I said, because I put less cream in here than the last time I did this, I used like 3/4 cup of heavy cream. This time I'm only using 1/2 cup of whipped cream. Did I say 1/2 cup last time? Because it is 1/2 cup. But I'll just explain that later. So you can go. So it seems like the best thing to do is just go by sound. Like as soon as you stop hearing gas going into your whipping siphon, that's when you can shut it off. Okay. Well, we're making progress. Well, let me phrase it. We've had success. That's good. So I guess I'll see you at the next video, maybe. I'm done.